In this melody tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to make melodies and make them fast, make them quick, make them easy. From here, you have the building blocks for the beginner producers out there to make melodies quick and easy. So make sure you watch to the very end while I do this. So I'm also going to do it using Citrus so that you can make sure that you can do it right here and now. So follow along, take notes, do whatever you got to do. So first we'll right click and we'll go insert, and then we'll go down to Citrus. I have my MIDI keyboard connected. I'm actually going to do it the way that it's going to be very, very easy. You right click and you click piano roll. And you notice I haven't even changed like anything. The first sound that comes up, boom, forget it. Let's just use it. Go to piano roll. What's really dope about FL20 is that you can place 3 notes, and then on the 3rd note, as long as you have this selected, which is under helpers, and then you go scale highlighting, and then you set that to automatic. After I hit 3, did you see that? It'll cause the shaded area to be in white. So now you know a melody to play. That will make sense. I'm just gonna pick any notes. I'm not even noticing. And then set your metronome on, maybe turn your tempo up to like 160. Why? I don't know, I'm just doing it. Hey, look at that. Didn't know what I was doing. In melody building, next thing you can do is copy. You hold the menu button, you go copy, and then you hold shift, and then you bring it out, you separate it. So now you just made a duplicate of what you did. So now if you hold control and you hit down, you will make it go down an octave. And so now with that little short variation, now you have a melody that starts in the original, goes down 1 octave, and then it's gonna come back around in the original octave. Very simple, very basic, but at least it's something, at least it's some movement. Here, let's check out what it sounds like. So you can use that, right? So hey, what do you do next? So then something about a melody you can do is you can clone it, and then you can add another layer on top of it and even make it just a different, you can go control and then go V, control C and then control V to paste it in this next lane, and then open up this version of Citrus, and then maybe try another preset. So we're gonna layer a sound on top of that original sound that we have. So let's layer this time let's do a string. Okay, so that's really high, and even this is really high, the original. So maybe we can hold control and go down and take everything down. Because I notice in a lot of beats, the upper registers are really prominent. So we want to usually bring it down a little bit to give it in that middle range sometimes, so it's not so screechy and pitchy. Let's try some. Let me try maybe a piano. Oh, let me. Okay, so I moved this up 1 octave right here. So what we're gonna hear, you can. I'm gonna layer that on top of this other one. I'm gonna turn it down maybe even a little bit to let them both peek out. And then right away you can just start adding drums. But the main thing is melodies are real easy to do. Just mess around with them, copy them, layer on top of them, switch them out, glitch them. Like, do whatever you gotta do. Anyway, this ain't a video about making the whole beat. This is just a beat about melody. So make sure when you start your melody, start it basic. You might want to pitch it up or down, move it down and up an octave, layer it with another sound, and then, you know, mess with the volumes and do all that. Do it over and over and over again, and pretty soon you're going to be real proficient at it. You're going to be able to make melodies easily, and you can even pencil them in. You don't need to know anything about MIDI keyboards or any of that. So practice it, do it over and over and over again until you master it. Get dope. And if you want to level up faster, go ahead, check out the membership, like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Appreciate you. We'll see you soon.